Guys, we're back out here at the lumberyard today. It's going to warm up a little bit. It's still supposed to be only in the mid 70s, but the sun's getting pretty high now. It's 10 in the morning. We're a little late today getting going, but we're out here with the HD SuperSplit. Big fan of this kinetic splitter. If you've never seen one run, make sure to watch it closely. I'll show some good views of it. It's about a 2.5 to 3 second cycle time. It's not a replacement for a commercial splitter, but it's I think the first line of commercial splitters that takes you from a box store splitter moving 11 to 12 seconds cycle time. This is 2.5 to 3. The wedge is kind of small. Sometimes we struggle with some bigger load. What we're doing today is I have slab wood on this table. We're going to cut it in various lengths because I really horrible at consistent size cuts. This is a 20-inch table for my boiler. My wood stove will take 18 in my cabins, and 20 if I turn them at an angle. It is a pain. So I try to cut them short. So I got to monkey around a little bit. You see, I got this pallet here. I have some IBC totes. I have 11 of them filled up. I have a 12th one I use for odds and ends around here. So now I use these pallets. Oops, someone just pulled in. FedEx. I'm gonna have to go, my dog's out. Okay, that was the FedEx guy. I kind of forgot about this, but I have something delivered for the channel, and it was heavy. So you'll see that here shortly. Somebody asked me why I wear, and this was last year, why I'm wearing chaps when I use the wood processor or even this table. I wear them to keep my pants clean for the most part. You know, I've hit my chaps over the years. I'm glad I had them on. I've actually taken a cut in the leg before as well, but I had a different pair of chaps on. But I wear them, it keeps my legs a little bit cleaner. Keeps the sawdust from running down my boots. So let's get this going. 362s out here. I have some already cut up. We'll get this split stacked on here first, and then we'll get some more slabs up here. You know what? I'm going to cut those first. Let's cut those. All right, now we got to get to the slabs. Yeah, the SuperSplit HD did a great job again today. Very happy with it. You know, as you're going through this, there is, I'll just take that off now. There is a little bit of maintenance you want to do to these HDs or these SuperSplits. You know, there's some bearings, so you keep them oiled up, keep the track clean, and you'll have good success with it. But we got another quarter cord of wood. I cut my wood for my cabin's pretty small, especially since I need it this year. So these will be, well, not this year, but it'll be late spring. I'd probably get to this pallet if I need to. I almost went through 3 full pallets at my one cabin and another pallet at my other cabin that we don't go to quite as often. It's a little bit smaller. So yeah, if I can get 5 of the, well, that's 4. That's the 4th pallet now. I need about 6 of them. So that gets me through, yeah, because I need one back at that other cabin. 3 back there. Yeah, no, 4 will possibly get me through the cabins. Just depends how warm the winter is. But let's get an extra one. Plus, I also need maple syrup wood. So we'll get 1 more pallet. So yeah, I just guess keep going. I still have Slab Mountain. I have access to pallets. I'll just make some more of these and carry on. Let's get this put away. Jerry. Okay, I think we're done. I have to be done. It's my wife's birthday today. We're not going to talk about her age, but it's her birthday. And this is the 41st birthday I've celebrated with her. Incredible. Take care, guys. We'll see you next time.